The Philippines sits on the Pacific Ring of Fire, home to active fault lines, restless volcanoes, and over 20 typhoons each year. So in a country shaped by disasters, we ask, what if resilience began in the communities? What if it began on a bike lane or in the hands of the youth?
Binuo po namin ang proyektong Bat Alert sa paniniwala na malaki yung gampanin ng mga kabataan sa pagsisiguro na ligtas ang kanilang komunidad sa panahon ng sakuna. Ginagabayan po namin yung mga kabataan sa pagkita, sa pagmamapa, at sa pagkakaroon ng kaalaman tungkol sa mga sakuna na napakapalibot sa kanila.
Ang proyekto natin ito ay talaga makabuluhan. Tinuruan natin ang mga pangunahing mga officers ng Buklod na Kabataan, isinali ng Buklod na Kabataan sa kanilang kapwa kabataan at pagkatapos noon, ito na yung mga bagyo. Palagay ko, may malaking dating itong tinuro natin.
Yung mga natutunan ko po una is kung paano po mag-ready, kung paano po kumalma sa mga sakunang nangyayari sa lugar po namin. O malaking tulong po yung tinuruan po kami kung paano kumalma sa mga ganong sitwasyon po.
But resilience also moves through streets, across transport systems, and into the hands of citizens who shape their cities every day.
So yung pedal map, isa siyang project na nag-empower sa community of bikers gamit ang open mapping. Dito, tinulungan namin yung mga bikers na magmapa gamit yung kanilang bike.
Kasi as a biker or travelers in general, we depend on a good map, a good, accurate map. Ang mapping is also dependent on the input of other people. So this is just another way of contributing to an application that people can use.
Resilience also means being ready when disaster strikes, not just here, but wherever help is needed. From our local streets to communities across the world, we answered the call, bringing our mapping skills to global humanitarian efforts.
Bilang UPRI Youth Mappers, hindi lang kaalaman ang dala natin, ngunit pati na rin ang kakayahan at responsibilidad na tumugon kapag panahon ng sakuna. Nagmamapa tayo para maisama sa mapa ang mga komunidad na nangangailangan at maisama sila sa solusyong panlipunan.
Sila ang patunay na ang kabataan ay may mahalagang papel sa pagpapatibay ng katatagan ng ating bansa.
But no movement grows alone. Behind every map we built and every community we empowered were partners who believed and continue to believe in our vision and what we stand for.
I was most impressed with the chapter's work in disaster mapping and education and their consistent and enthusiastic support for regional and international open mapping campaigns.
PuddleMap not only strengthened the cyclist community, but created data that is key for disaster readiness in the process.
The heart and spirit of our work go beyond any single map or project. We are part of a larger movement, one rooted in shared values, sustained by global communities, and propelled by our collective desire towards disaster resilience.
We are so proud of you and recognize the big role that you play in the global network of youth mappers, which is more than 420 universities in more than 82 countries around the world. We've seen all of your work in the region and as leaders in the network, and we're so grateful for your university to recognize the big role that you're playing locally and globally.
But what makes us truly proud isn't just what we've done, it's how we did it, with empathy, with science, with communities at the center.
As students from UP, we are taught to serve the people. And UPRI Youth Mappers help us do exactly that. We engage with communities, understand their needs, and help them build solutions through mapping.
UPRI Youth Mappers is not just a student org. It is a community na nagbubuklod ng mga tao na interesado sa pagtugon sa problema ng disasters at kakulangan ng data hindi lang locally but also on a regional and global scale. It gives people and students like us the opportunity to thrive and excel in providing solutions in their own different ways. And that's the kind of organizations that deserves to be recognized. We don't just build maps, we build maps!